Barkada Contra Droga or BKD organization of Luna National High School. Advisor, Ms. Cheryl R. Angco, in grateful recognition of your unwavering dedication, outstanding leadership, and active involvement in promoting a drug-free lifestyle among the youth. Through your impactful campaigns, peer education, and advocacy efforts, you have empowered the students to make informed and responsible choices, fostering a safe and healthy school environment. Signed by Dr. Rudy R. Mariano Jr., PhD, School Principal 1.
May that song reminds you that no matter how difficult the road ahead may seem, there is always guidance for those who walk with faith. Congratulations once again. Go forth as dreamers who dare to act. Mangarap ka at gumawa ng paraan upang makamit mong iyong natatanging kailangan. As leaders who dare to unite, maging pinuno-nawa kayo o leader na ang tanging nais ay mapag-isa o mapagbuklod ng lahat. And as Filipinos dare to hope for a better tomorrow, sana'y kayo'y mga batang Pilipino na hindi kailanman nawawala ng pag-asa sa magandang bukas. Ito ang palagi kong sinasabi sa mga mag-aaral na nakikita ko sa mga paralan sa tuwing nagmamonitor ako. Sa Ilocano, agadal na rin ba, tapno rumang na ay ito, ipanagbiyak. Sa mga iba na, ang eskwela ka tumapya, tapos pagtolay loka ay mamapya. Sa mga Tagalog na hindi nakakaintindi ng Ilocano at iba na, mag-aral ng mabuti para ang buhay ay bubuti. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
It's hard to believe how much has changed, how much we have changed. From the lyrics of Frank Ocean, "You ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again." That line really hits hard because it's true. We'll never be those same students running through the halls, laughing with friends, stressing over deadlines, and making memories we'll carry forever. Now, we're stepping into a new chapter, and it's really a little scary but also exciting. Before we move forward, we just want to say thank you. Thank you to the people who believed in us, supported us, and helped us grow. With that, it's my honor to express gratitude to the people who've been with us every step of the way. To our distinguished principal, Dr. Rudy R. Mariano Jr., Sir. To our beloved head teacher, Sir Roland Cipriano. To our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Dante M. Cappuccino. And to the outstanding teachers and staff at Luna National High School. To our proud parents, friends, visitors, and fellow graduates, a pleasant evening to all. We have been through a lot, and it's humbling to realize how far we've come. Grade 7 pa lamang tayo nung nagkaroon na ng COVID-19. At alalang-alala ko pa, tuwang-tuwa tayo na merong suspension ng 2 weeks. Tapos yung 2 weeks na yun, naging months, naging year, and naging 2 years of online and modular classes. Our lives changed so fast. No more face-to-face classes, no more group work with friends or classmates, no more school events to look forward to. We have to study through screens and monitors. Many of us felt tired, lonely, and confused. But even with all the struggles, we didn't give up. We kept going, we adjusted, and we learned to be strong. Now, after everything we've been through, we are finally here graduating. We are wearing our togas and holding our diplomas. We are not just celebrating the end of the senior school year and senior high school journey, but we are also honoring the people who made this moment possible. First, to our Almighty God, thank you for the strength, guidance, wisdom that carried us through sleepless nights, deadlines, and even breakdowns. Without your grace, we would not be here today. To our family, especially for me, my dear parents, my mother, Donna B. Barawidan, and father, Homer Barawidan. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for all that you have sacrificed and done for my well-being. You are the reason I keep going even on nights when I feel like giving up. You are my source of motivation and inspiration, and I promise to continue striving, to do my best, and give you the life we both deserve. To all parents and families, this achievement is not just ours, but it's also yours too. To our teachers and advisors, we encountered and experienced several teachers and advisors as we advance to the next grade level, and I thank each and every single one of them. As teachers and our second parents, they pushed us to be better and guide us through the years. You were the first to believe in our abilities, and we thank you for shaping us into who we are today. You taught us values to become better students and also better people. To my dear friends and APM family, most especially to the people who have a special place in my heart. Ian, Daniela, Althea, Carla, Jack, ZJ, Cyron, Vincent, Angelique, Janine, Eloisa, Edeline, Karil, Angel, Abby, and many more. Thank you for being one of the best parts of my high school life. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko malalampasan ang lahat ng pagod, stress, at pressure kung wala kayo. Salamat sa mga tawa, kwento, at kahit sa mga moments na deadline na bukas, at talagang sa last minute pa gumagawa, sa school pa talaga. You made the hardest days tighter and the best days even more memorable. As we'll all take different paths after graduation, I want to ask one thing from all of you. Please don't be a stranger to me. Update or message me about what's going on in college. When you see me passing by, don't hesitate to say hi or wave. Call me when you need someone to listen to your rants or problems. Let's stay connected kahit gaano pa tayo ka-busy sa life at sa college. The memories we shared won't fade, and I hope our friendship continues no matter where life takes us. We've grown up together, nakita na natin ang mga pinakamatinding moments ng isa't isa. Mapa-jejemon face man yan, broken face, at kung ano-ano pa. We've celebrated wins, supported each other through losses, and learned some pretty big life lessons. As we move on to the next chapter of our lives, we're not just leaving behind a school. We're leaving behind the places that have been with us every day. The gates we walked through, the hallways where we shared so many memories, and the classrooms where we learned and grew. They've all been a part of our journey. It's hard to imagine that we won't be walking those halls anymore. But they'll always be a part of who we are. The laughter, the conversations, and the quiet moments we spent in those areas will no longer be part of our daily lives. But even though we won't be there again, the memories will stay with us forever. No matter where we go in life, those memories will remind us of how far we've come and everything we've learned. We're all heading different in directions now. Some of us going to college, some jumping straight into the real world and finding jobs, and some still figuring out, and that's okay. Life doesn't come with a strict timeline. We're allowed to explore, stumble, and start over. What matters is that we live here knowing that we've got each other's backs, and we've got what it takes to keep going no matter what. As we move forward, I'm excited for what the future holds for all of us. I have no doubt that we will continue to grow, achieve, and make a difference in whatever path we take. But no matter where we go, let's always remember where we started. Here, together. As graduates of batch 2024-2025, thank you to everyone who helped us reach this day. Congratulations to us all. May we continue to shine brightly, not just in school, but in life. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Luna National High School. You were a wonderful experience.